Hello and welcome to the WhatSalon Grow tutorial videos. Today I'm going to show you how to book an appointment into WhatSalon Grow. So as always, the first thing to do is sign in. This will take you to the dashboard. Now, the easiest place to book an appointment is in the calendar. So let's click on that option on the left hand side. Now the calendar screen show you your columns and the staff that are working today. So we've got Becky, Dylan, Jill and Nancy with appointments ready to go at some point today. There are a couple of ways of booking them in. You can either use the Add Appointment button, add one in quickly, or if you like, you can choose the time on the staff column. Let's book an appointment in for Nancy. We'll book it in at 3 p.m. I'm going to use the Add Appointment button in this example. Right, so this brings you to the Add Appointment screen. It's a new appointment and we need to choose who is having the appointment. So let's click on this button and bring up our customer list. So today the appointment is going to be for Alice Smith. Let's select Alice. Fantastic. So Alice wants to get her hair cut, so let's choose that category. The service that she wants is a wash and set. We want this to be done by Nancy. We want it to be done today. And the start time, 3 p.m. So we select 3 and select PM. Okay. Now the system knows the wash and set with Nancy takes an hour, so it's selected that already. If we want to add some notes in for this particular appointment, we can do that here. There we go. So once everything is selected, we can save the appointment and we can see here it's been added successfully. Let's jump back into the calendar view. The appointment is with Nancy and we know that it's at 3 o'clock. It's a wash and set. The system automatically picks up the price, £75. If you hover over the appointment, you'll get information on who it's for. So we know that this one is with Alice Smith. You can see her phone number if we need to contact her, and it gives us all the information we need about the appointment. You'll notice the appointments in the columns have different colours. This relates to the category of the service. So for example, pedicure has this red colour. Haircuts and hair services are all in black. This allows you to get an idea of what the service is by quickly looking at it. Simple as that. If we wanted to cancel the appointment because Alice isn't showing up, well, that's not difficult either. We can click on the appointment in the column and select the cancel option. Simple. And that is how you book an appointment. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.